Hi you guys, welcome to moving day one. Yeah, I haven't kept this a secret. I've posted about it on Instagram, but we haven't like announced when we were moving or where or anything. But we are moving and we actually move tomorrow. So today is Thursday, I don't even know the date, but today's Thursday, tomorrow is obviously Friday. We're going to either move tomorrow or Saturday morning. It's kind of up in the air which one, but yeah, we have 2 days and my house is not even close to being ready. We've done quite a bit and we've just been trying to like soak up these last 2 weeks, figure out what we're doing, which we don't know yet still. Sorry, my arm is tired already. We still don't know what we're doing. We still don't have a place to live. And you guys, we're moving almost 4 hours away and we still don't have a place to live. So thank goodness my family lives there and we can stay with them. However, it just is a whole ordeal. I'm not even gonna get into it. I've talked about it so many times. If you guys have questions, you can leave them below and I'll answer, or I'll talk about it in another video. But for right now, I'm gonna pack. So this is me. My shirt's not even doing well. So this is almost 27 week. I'll be 27 weeks tomorrow. So this is 27-week me packing up our house, getting ready to move. Riley is golfing with 2 of his work friends because his last work day is tomorrow, and obviously my last work day is tomorrow. And so he is doing something with his friends tonight. We've been going out to dinner with family and like hanging out with them and then coming home and packing late at night. So I decided to stay home, but one of my really good friends is coming over. You guys have seen her before. I used to do her hair. So she's coming over with pizza and we are going to pack. She's the sweetest and wanted to help me pack or like move boxes around or clean the carpets, kind of whatever I need to do. She's gonna help me with it. I feel really bad, like I don't like asking for help and I don't wanna make her do it, but I'm the type of friend who would go and help anyone else too. So it feels really nice to have someone who will do that with me. So we're definitely gonna go through the food and kind of see who we can give it away to. She knows a lot of people here, so we're gonna see who we can give it away to. I have some like cups and dishes and stuff that her sister can use when she goes to college. So it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna help us a ton. Plus, if she can like slide the boxes out of the way so that I can vacuum or like do our carpet cleaner, that would help a ton. Or like carry the carpet cleaner upstairs for me, but it's just too heavy on my stomach. And I already get like this like strainy feeling right here, only on this side, if I'm laying down and sit up, or if I'm like stretching or anything and then like stand back up, it is like cripples me like over. I told my doctor about it, it's fine, it's just like you have to take it easier. So having that kind of help would be super helpful. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the state of our downstairs right now. The upstairs is almost done, but everything is everywhere. So like we have boxes, we have bags, we have clothes that are like in bags and stuff, our suitcases and stuff, like it's everywhere. So I'm just gonna show you downstairs because that's where we actually have to work. So here we go. Hi, Stoog. Okay, so here's the living room. We have the carpet cleaner. We have a bunch of these boxes. These are all full and ready, except for this one. This one's gonna be decor. Then we have like all this. My TV stand's pretty much good to go. We just have to unplug the router and drop that back off at our cable company. Pack up his Xbox or his PlayStation, and then all of this is just gonna come as is because it's like Duke stuff, like his toys, like extra food and stuff. Like this is just gonna come as is. TV obviously will come as is. Then we have this closet, which has like our car seat box. We have the car seat out. I think I'm gonna put it back in. Bullet mattress just in case, and then extra boxes from like, this is Christmas, Halloween, the blue ones are wedding. These are just boxes that we never unpacked when we moved here. Our Christmas tree, and then like games and stuff. Then obviously the couch is like a sectional, so it's 2 pieces, so that'll come apart. Our blankets we'll just throw into a bag, bring in the car with us because that's like stuff we use. I have a ton of boxes. Then the kitchen. So in the kitchen we still have like just our stuff that we use, like the carpet cleaning stuff and Duke's food. So we have like our tape gun, just extra stuff. I'm gonna try to give away this food to somebody because Duke doesn't like it and we don't need to keep it. Extra kitchen stuff that needs to just get like put away, and appliances, but like these are done. We're gonna go through all of this because honestly, all this stuff, I really don't see a purpose in bringing foods like that because unpacking food that could go to somebody here just seems a little crazy to me. I know we will have to then go and buy it again, but if we haven't used it yet, it's probably because it's not on our the top of our list to use. So I'm not super confused. We have like bread and bagels that we just bought. I don't know why, cheese, like lots of tomato sauce and stuff that's like, I would rather not pack it. I want to give it to someone, maybe a family who needs it, and then just be done with it. So hopefully she can take all of these cans and like the food and stuff and find someone who wants it, or she'll keep it or whatever. Then we have all of this stuff on here that's gonna get packed. So like the griddle's coming with us. We're gonna try to give this away. This is like to help pack just extra stuff that like her and I are gonna go through all of this. These glass pans need to be packed. Sorry, it's so yellow. I did the laundry room yesterday, so I cleaned all of this. I'm just gonna grab those 3 things. Either put them in a box or put them in our car, I'm not sure yet. I already cleaned out the whole washer. I washed it with like the white vinegar and hot water, ran a cycle, did that. Cleaned them off. This is done. We have to like, I just have extra towels, but these are gonna get thrown away. Paper towel and toilet paper to bring with us. I just have stuff I need to move and like finish a room, close the door and be done. And then once everything is boxed up, we can push it in here, we can move it to the trailer, whatever we're doing. And then I'm gonna clean the carpets, vacuum, clean everything. So this bathroom is pretty much done. I'm grabbing these right now and I'll grab the empty, well, almost empty trash can. And then this bathroom's done until we clean it. So that'll be good. And honestly, everything else is just like to be determined of what we're gonna do with it and when. But oh my gosh, I'm stressed, but I'm happy. I'm really excited. I have to go meet like my new doctor and all that kind of stuff. So there's gonna be a ton of vlogs coming, which is gonna be really fun because I'll be living by my mom and she loves to vlog with me. So you'll see a ton of that and the dogs playing and that kind of stuff. So it'll be fun, but it's a really stressful like next 48 hours from right now until Saturday night. So I'm gonna set this up. I hope I can get a ton of montages of us cleaning. I have a ton to do and like just more cleaning and like putting stuff away upstairs. So I'm gonna do all of that. You're gonna see my pregnant butt just doing as much as I can, sitting as often as I can, and making it work. It's 10 p.m. now and my friend left. I didn't video any of it or montage any of it because I forgot. I was super out of breath, and also we got a ton done, and so I just didn't really think about it. She got me the sweetest present. She got me this shirt. Okay, Duke. A couple candies, 2 other shirts. One says don't eat watermelon seeds and the other one says mom life, and it's black and it's so cute. Riley got home and I'm exhausted. I'll show you guys how many boxes we got done because we got so much more done, and the kitchen is completely empty except for what? Do you need to talk to them? The kitchen is completely done except for a couple of things in the fridge just for breakfast tomorrow, and then we'll throw them away because they'll be either empty or just we're not going to take them. The kitchen somehow looks dirtier because there's like more scattered things, but I can't vlog with them. We gotta do stuff, right? You gotta get up. Yeah. Oh.
I'll talk to you tomorrow. No, we're gonna talk now.
Okay. When we decide to get up and do stuff, I will show you guys what we've done. But for right now, I'm gonna keep sitting on the couch because I'm so tired. And my belly is hurting. It's so stretched.
Nobody knows our future, but it's not going to be decided by the company. It's not going to be decided by anybody but us. And what we are is up to you and me.
Okay, bye. Laundry room is done. I need to mop one more time, but everything's done in here. Kitchen looks way better. All of these are empty now. Hi, Stoogie. Freezer's empty. Couple more things in here. But, I mean, it's pretty much gone. We have this stuff now. But this is more just miscellaneous stuff that needs to go in a box or we're gonna use. That's cleaned off. Bathroom is done. Just needs to be like the deep clean. So these are all the boxes that I did. So I did more of these. This is my cute little present from her. Sleeping Riley. And we were able to take out like 6 bags of trash or clothes that like weren't worth donating, and shoes and stuff, and like old pillows. So we threw away a ton of stuff. She took a ton of food and like some of the games and stuff that we had to a preschool here, and still got stuff. We just got a ton done, and there's definitely more to do, but I don't think we'll do it tonight. So Ryan just needs to take this to the trash before we go to bed, and then we can settle down for the night, regain tomorrow, finish packing, get stuff into a trailer so we actually can start cleaning, and then move tomorrow, and then Saturday. Hopefully we'll be all packed up so we can just leave Saturday, but who knows? So, oh, now he's alive. So, that is all for this part. Let me turn you guys. So that is all for moving part 1. The next one will probably be just a little bit more packing and then us actually moving, because we know I'm notorious for not vlogging as much as I want. So the next one will probably be us like getting the stuff into the truck and then actually moving and like driving and getting to our next destination. So if you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed so you see all of our adventures with our baby coming, moving, dukers, just all that fun stuff. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.